The next inbuilt type is the math type, and as the name itself says, it provides properties and methods or functions that we can use to perform mathematical operations. Let's see what those properties and operations are by creating a new file. Copy the contents from Boolean, create new file, paste it, change the title to math. The very first property is document.write math m capital dot pi, pi, to get the constant value of pi. Save it as math.html. Open it in your web browser, and the result should be 3.14 and the complete value of pi. So this constant is defined inside this math type, and we can use it wherever it is required in our application. Next, a very useful function, math.square root. If you want to calculate the square root of a number, use sqrt, that's the function name, pass it a number, and it will calculate the square root for you. Add a line break so that we can see the results on a new line. Copy from plus all the way to the end, paste it in the next one as well. Save it. Go to the browser, refresh, and the square root of 9 is 3. We also have a power function, pow, P-O-W, which will calculate the power given a number and its exponent. 2, 4. It will raise the exponentially it will raise the value of 2 by 4. The result is 16. Math also offers various rounding off functions such as floor, seal, and round. Let's use floor. Document.write math.floor, pass it a decimal number, let's say 3.8. Floor always returns the lower bound, so the result should be 3. Use seal, C-E-I-L, and this should give the upper bound. Try 3.2, and it is 4. Add a line break at the end. And the seal of 3.2 is 4, which always gives the upper bound. Finally, use the round method, which will calculate depending on whether the number is less than 0.5. For example, if it's 3.2, if you round it off, the result will be 3. It will give you the lower bound. And if it is above 3.5, let's say 3.6, save it, refresh, it will give you the upper bound. So in this lecture, you have learned about the math inbuilt type using which you can perform various mathematical operations as well as rounding off operations.